everybody, this is SirPierre, back another day with another unboxing. Today's package is from Supreme, and I'm gonna do 3 videos out of this unboxing because it makes it easier for you to search after my videos. And I've noticed that you like my Supreme videos. This is from, let me see now, I ordered this I think 10 days ago. So it took Supreme over a week to send this package. But when I mailed them, their answer was just that they are having troubles with the shipping at the moment. The 3-pack Hanes t-shirt, they are not as good as they used to be. The color is not as good looking as it used to be, but it's a very nice t-shirt to have spare in your car or in your backpack or whatever. A nice clean t-shirt, discreet Supreme down here. So yeah, it's always nice to have. I wish this t-shirt had a box logo like this, but it doesn't. That will be in the next video. I think I'm gonna start with the pouch, because that's the one that I'm looking forward the most. No free gifts, as usual. I rarely get any free gifts, and only 1 sticker. Everybody else gets 2 stickers, so that sucks. So the only thing that I was supposed to buy was the pouch, but I was free to shop almost whatever I wanted from that day's release later that night, like 12 hours later. So I ended up buying the hoodie, a t-shirt, something else. So I wear daily, carry on, use a Louis Vuitton bum bag or Adidas. I got a couple of bum bags that I have, but sometimes I want something smaller, sometimes I want something bigger, and this is supposed to be very small and in leather. This is actually really small, really small. I hope that my phone will fit. It smells nice, it smells like good quality leather. Soft, discreet, nice red color. We have the Supreme printed here. I'm gonna show you up, show you closer. I hope I can stretch this out so it will be very long and not like the Burberry waist bag that I showed you a week ago. I think this is okay. Yeah, I like this. I don't like the sound of these. I had Adidas bum bag, waist bag earlier, and that was nice in color, blue color, but this sound all the time, so I gave it away. And my brother still uses it today. He has had it for like 3 years now. He really likes it. Looks good. It really does. It really looks good. Maybe I can do something with this, put some leather on them so they don't sound like this all the time. So we have 1 small pocket here that I can't even fit with a knife, but it's a big one. The bigger one here, where I hope I can fit my phone. I don't think I can actually. And the one closer to your body, where I'm gonna put my card holder. So I'm gonna put the camera closer and see what I can fit here. All right, so right away we have a problem. My iPhone XS Max, this is just a case, but still won't fit. And the main reason why I want a pouch like this is in the summer where I only wear shorts, I want something neat to have my phone, car keys, card holder, and a small knife. And of course, the card holder is no problem. Yeah, it fits. In the front we have a small knife. Car keys sort of bulky like this, but we can still use only the small part. So that's no problem. Let's put it in the back. But my phone won't fit. Oh, it did. Very hard to get it to fit, actually. Yeah, it won't fit. So even if I take everything out, it's still too small for our iPhone XS. Okay, just fit the phone. So it's very small, very slim, very small. Looks good. If you have a smaller phone, I guess it won't be a problem. And even if I put my card holder in after I have the phone in, I'm still gonna have the problem every time I want my phone, I guess. But let's use for fun, see what it looks like when I wear it. So it does look good. Of course it's not as slim as it is empty, but I like it. Of course it's a bit expensive, it's Supreme, and I just realized I didn't get a receipt either on my order. So yeah, that's not good, Supreme. But the name is something waist pouch, body pouch. I will put the name in the description. I think the price was 150 euro, maybe a bit more. Looks good. I just have to do something about this. Probably put some leather on them so it won't make the sound, I hope. Let's see, but I like it. Discreet, nice to have, and change up with the other one that I have that's sort of big in every way. So for your extreme necessaries, phone, card, car keys, pocket knife, it's pretty good. It's just that if you have iPhone XS Max, you might have some problem. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll be right back with some more Supreme videos. Thank you.